Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Interesting. This, if it's your first time here, I'm Miss Jessie, and guess what? Today is my birthday and I decided to prepare Maandazi or buns. Yes, because it's my favorite breakfast escort. Yes, so all I'm going to use is 1 kg of wheat flour, sugar 4 spoons. You can add to 5 or 6, baking powder and yeast. I'm going to put them together and then mix them together so that they mix very well, because we want our mixture to be uniform. And I'm going to use water with a little bit of cloves and of course strawberry flavor. You can't miss that sweet smell. Yeah, so I will go forward to make the dough, and I'll use the water. I'll be adding water bit by bit, and I'll be kneading my dough until I'm sure it is very soft. It's important for the dough to be soft so that your buns or your mandazi will come out very softy. Yeah, so after that I'm just going to wrap my dough with a plastic bag, or you can just cover it. Yes, and then I'm going to put it at a hot place for about 2 hours. Yeah, the more you leave it, the more it becomes big and the more it becomes very nice. Yes, so after 2 hours I came to remove my dough. It's actually big and it's ready for the rest of the work. Yes, so what follows, I'll continue separating my dough to 3 parts, and then I will make sure that I do it properly so that I'll be able to get small pieces of buns from it. I normally prefer the circle shape. Yeah, so I'll use a cup to cut my dough into small circle pieces. Yes, meanwhile I've put my oil and the oil is already hot. Make sure that the heat you're using is moderate. It's not too low or too hot. Yes, so after putting your buns, which you should be very careful, yeah, you just wait for them to become big, and then you'll be turning them around as they are getting brownier and brownier. And after a small time you remove your buns. That's how the buns look. They're looking very nice and they're very tasty. If you like what you see so far, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Mwah.